Hello. Konnichiwa. Hola. Bonjour. Ni hao. Hello everyone and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Koji Sato, President of Lexus International, and I have some very exciting news to share with you. This is the pivotal time at Lexus. We are energizing our product development philosophy and reimagining how you might experience the brand. Let me explain. It began over 2 years ago during the conversation with my boss, our master driver Akio Toyoda. We were reflecting on how quickly the world is evolving. We discussed how the world was shifting toward a more carbon-neutral stance. He expressed his desire to ensure Lexus was ready to face a changing world and positioned to actively help it change in the most positive way we can. Lexus brings a unique perspective to mobility, rooted in research and development, yet focused on the human-centered experience with the goal of exceeding our customers' expectations. Remember, Lexus was a pioneer of the electrified car movement. When we introduced the world's first ever luxury hybrid in 2005, now, our electrified fleet has grown to include 9 different models worldwide, with nearly 2 million sold. At the other end of the spectrum, Lexus developed the LFA supercar and several F products that led to the latest Lexus driving signature. Now, we are bringing all of this together. As we look to the future, we envision a driving experience unlike any other, yet powered by various alternative fuel solutions, ranging from hybrid to plug-in hybrid and EV to align with market conditions, but all delivering a feeling of engagement and confidence to the driver. Amazing. And speaking of amazing, I want to tell you about a dream I had about what Lexus might do next.
Watanabe-san, as a chief engineer for Lexus Electrified, you know Akio's challenge to all of us is to develop something amazing. Not just a single model, but a reimagined portfolio that captures the imagination.
I do. That's why everyone at Lexus is constantly reimagining how amazing looks, feels, and performs. And that is no small task.
It isn't. But it is an opportunity for Lexus to set the new standard for dynamic control and performance. I often dream about a system of electronic controls that are all thinking as one. Can you imagine a battery electric vehicle that distributes power to all 4 wheels in a unique way?
Why not? An all-new EV platform would demand fresh thinking, something futuristic, refined, and powerful, yet true to the legacy and character of Lexus.
Yes, we'd engineer a seamless driving experience with a new steering technology for confidence and control and an advanced drive system that further assists drivers, bringing us closer to our safety goal of a world with 0 vehicle fatalities.
Brilliant! And of course, we'd add an elegant and intuitive multimedia interface, allowing drivers and passengers to stay connected, all virtually guaranteeing the interior would be just as awe-inspiring as the exterior. That's quite a dream.
It's definitely something amazing.
So why don't we turn the dream into reality?
Absolutely. We'll answer Akio's challenge by realizing the dreams of everyone at Lexus. We will create beautiful, unmistakable, and innovative vehicles that are the embodiment of something amazing from the moment they're summoned by their smart keys.
The future is crafted from the unknown. Visionaries ask what it looks like or sounds like. But Lexus asks how it will feel. A concept born of an all-new EV platform for seamless performance. With direct 4 technology, delivering power and stability when you need it. and connecting driver to the road with intuitive steer-by-wire. This is the Lexus LF-Z Electrified Concept, a future crafted to a level of confidence you've never felt before.
Advanced drive activated.
Partnering with you on your journey. Using advanced AI to help elevate every moment, on the road and beyond.
How many for dinner?
Just the two of us.
Setting mood to romantic.
This is what the future feels like. And the feeling is electric.
What do you think of the new concept car? As you can see, the new LF-Z Electrified Concept is the beginning of a transformation here at Lexus. In fact, we have 2 more product reveals coming in 2021, and the excitement won't slow down. Over the course of the next 5 years, we plan to introduce 20 all-new or redesigned models, increasing the diversity of choice of our lineup. To make sure of that, the Lexus team, including engineering, design, and planning members, will soon move to our new technical center at Shimoyama. This effort will unify the brand and enable a more rapid and agile approach to new product development as we look toward our next chapter. Again, thank you for joining us today. For more details about our future vision and the LF-Z Electrified Concept, please check out our Discover Lexus website or visit your local Lexus website. We also have a new AR app available for you to download where you can experience Lexus in a new way. We look forward to this amazing journey and sharing the future with you. We hope you agree that the feeling is electric. See you soon.